All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's Wednesday adjective. So little. Little. Something small. It is a little house. That is a little book. I have another little book. Another little book. Yeah. Those are little anything. Little pockets, for example. Did you take the little pen? Pen? Yeah. These are little houses. Little houses. There we are. Look at that house. Yeah. Little houses. Yeah. Yeah. Little houses. He is a little person. How cool is that? Yeah. That was a little car. Well, we have all sorts of little things. Yeah, little. I have a little box. Little box. But I don't have a little anything. Bookcase. It is huge. It is big. Big. Muy bien. Very good. We're painting a little box. Yes, little box. We're painting. Very good. She wants to write a little story. Yes. Yes, in a few weeks I will write a lot of little stories. Yes. How cool is that? So little, something small. Yeah. So, can you use little in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below, Language Explorers? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or by searching Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.